team. You're going to be visiting us each week, so we're going to introduce ourselves. I'm Coach Harden, and I'm with PE, and you'll see me twice a week.
My name is Miss M. I'm with Coach Harden. You'll see me twice a week.
I'm Miss Strickland. I'm your lab/IT person here at Southside, and you will see me each week.
I'm Tanya Boswell, your librarian specialist, and you'll see me once a week.
I'm Miss Johnson, and I'm the music person, and you'll see me once a week.
I'm Tangela Tyson. I'm the library assistant, and you'll see me once a week.
I'm Miss White. I'm the behavioral resource teacher, and you'll see me once a month.
I'm Amanda Probst. I'm the school counselor, and you'll see me once a month.
Hi, it's Miss Boswell and Miss Tyson again. We're going to be in the library. You guys will come to see us once a week and be able to check out books. You will also be able to return your overdue books. Please send those in as soon as possible. When you come to the library once a month, the guidance counselor and the BRT will also be able to visit you, and they're going to tell you what they're going to do.
So what we will be doing once a month with the students are focusing on their social skills and social emotional learning. We'll be focusing on having them proper behavior, the setting positive goals, and just overall feeling good about themselves. I'll be focused on the kindergarten through second grade.
And I will be working with our third and fifth grade students. We look forward to seeing you. Hope you make good choices.
Make choices like a boss.
Hey there, Tornadoes. It's Miss Strickland here. This year we're going to do something a little different. I get to come to you guys for specials because you guys all get to use your own Chromebooks. Can't wait to see you all. We'll see you on Monday.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Johnson, and this is going to be the music of Giggles and Wiggles. Hope to see you with plenty of giggles and wiggles.
Hey Tornadoes, this is your PE specials team with Miss M and Miss Coach Harden. This is Miss M's second full year being with us and my 6th year being here at Southside as the PE coach, and we are looking forward to seeing y'all soon.
Always wear tennis shoes to PE. We're wearing tennis shoes to protect our feet and be safe. If you don't have your tennis shoes on for the day, you may not be able to participate in the activity for the day.
Water like a boss.
The water fountains at the PE field are going to be cut off, so make sure you bring an empty water bottle and we can fill it up. We want to stay hydrated. It's going to be hot out. It's hot out. We don't have any shade out on the PE field, so make sure you wear your hat like a boss. All right, if you ever wonder what day you have PE and need to wear those tennis shoes, don't forget. Or if you need to just keep updated on things that are going on around the school and with PE, then you can always follow us like a boss on our Facebook page, Southside Elementary School PE Harden. So like our page and keep updated. We can't wait to see you soon, and we're all gonna do specials like a boss.